Have you ever wondered how important aromatherapy could be in your daily life? It plays a key role in promoting relaxation, reducing stress, and enhancing overall well-being. Having fresh, aromatic plants in your garden can greatly magnify these benefits. Imagine stepping into your own garden, filled with aromatic plants that can uplift your mood and soothe your senses. Now, think about what your own aromatherapy garden could look like. Consider your space, the climate, and your favorite fragrances. An aromatherapy garden is versatile. It can be a backyard corner, a balcony of pots, or a windowsill herb garden. With a little bit of planning, you can create an aromatherapy garden that suits your space and your senses. Choosing the right plants is a crucial first step in creating your aromatherapy garden. It's not just about selecting plants for their delightful aroma, but also considering their therapeutic properties. Consider popular choices like lavender, known for its calming effects, or rosemary, which can enhance your focus. And let's not forget peppermint, a great pick-me-up for those sluggish afternoons. Remember, the best plants for your garden are the ones that you love the scent of and that thrive in your local conditions. Once you've chosen your plants, it's time to get your hands dirty. Begin by preparing the soil. It should be well-drained and rich in organic matter. Next, plant your seeds or seedlings, ensuring they're spaced correctly for growth. Water them according to their specific needs. Some plants prefer a good soak, others a light misting. Keep up with ongoing care, pruning to promote growth and harvesting when ready. With patience and care, you'll soon have a thriving garden that not only looks beautiful but also smells amazing. Once your plants start to grow, your aromatherapy garden will start to come alive. Breathe in the calming scents or harvest the plants for direct use in aromatherapy. Remember, your aromatherapy garden is not just a garden. It's a personal retreat, a sanctuary for your senses.